Please be careful. Whisper, I need you to do something for me. Shadow Savage. Me send you the location.
You really went outside again? Tuna fish, ketchup, oats, lusk. Hey, Anise. Yeah, crazy gone crazy. You really went to the shop again after I warn you. Don't go a shop, you still end up going again to... Hey, Anise, come here.
Let me tell you this. Me never stung in the whole entire day and I get nothing to eat. It's been out one whole day, you know, come here. And me hungry. So me decided to go outside, go get something to eat and come back.
Anise, something wrong with you? I explained to you over and over. You take this for a joke, though. You take this for like some game.
I know say it's not a game, but hungry is not a game. And me did hungry, so me decided to go outside.
You know your face up on TV, Anise, for being kidnapped. So how you outside walking buying Fosco, Oats, and Lasco? People know you.
I know. That's why I'm do this. Wait, I'll catch it. Put on a little bit of knuckles. No, I'm going to here. I'm going to get the ball. I'm going to set it like this. And then I'm going to come back. So I'm not going to really know because I'm handicapped.
A handicap, for real, you're a handicap, yes? In your brain. What did I tell you? Over and over, I tell you the same thing. I'm not going back to prison. I don't care what you do, but I'm telling you, I'm not going back to prison. This woman is, hey.
And me, now they feel hungry.
Like this whole shit going down the toilet. You know I made all the phone call about the $5 million. I'll know nobody haven't sent back a response. Yo, it's like broke ya broke or something. You sure your auntie got money?
Hello. My auntie have money. I just mean she mean and tight with it.
I don't know what the situation is like. I think I chose the wrong person because don't look like you worth $5 million to me. I should have asked for like 150,000, 200,000. I might have got that because right now this whole thing falling apart because I don't even know what to do again. Like I'm just kidding.
Look like you don't have no patience. That's why your face a fall apart. What the fuck? Probably we need to do a video with me a big and a ball or something.
I don't think that's gonna work. We have to step up the game. I think we'll cut you again, but this time send maybe a finger or a toe in a box. What do you think about that one?
Let me tell you this. You not gonna put the knife on me again, much as for cut me, cause me not look like a loaf of bread. So you see the suggestion when me get look well, I eat we are gonna work with. I'm a done talk.
Why when you work with crazy people who talk some stupid shit? So you expect to get on TV a ball in a pretty dress with hairstyle and edges? Yo, yo, we go to prison.